All right, here is the ninth problem in my competition math day series. And again, the first question was just one I made up. That is usually asked verbally in a head-to-head competition between two teams. And the question is this. Find the area of the triangle ABC given the rectangular coordinates of A as 3, 0, B as negative 2, 0, and C 0, 4. And that's that one. And then the bottom equation or bottom question comes out of a competition math series called University of Nebraska puts it out. It's called the Probe Exam: Problems Requiring Original Brilliant Effort. And what is the 100th letter in the pattern A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 D? Good luck, and I'll answer them shortly. All right, so hopefully you've answered this one. And in these competitions, you've got a piece of scratch paper and a pencil in front of you, and the teams can actually talk to each other. They're facing away from the crowd, and they can speak to each other. But what I would do with this problem, and some people can do this mentally. I can't. I would just rough sketch it on a piece of paper, and you're trying to do this as faster than the other team. But there's the base of your triangle. There's negative 2, 0. This is B. This is A. And then that would be C. There's your triangle. You've got your base and your height as defined by the X and Y axis. Here's the Y axis. There's the X axis. So your base here is, it looks like 5. Excuse me, can't count this morning. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your height is 4. So it's 10 because it's 5 times 4 divided by 2 for area of a triangle. Base times height divided by 2, half of a rectangle. And that's it. Answer's 10. Got to be fast. So faster than what I just did. But hopefully you understand it, and we'll move on to the next one. All right, what is the 100th letter in the pattern A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 D? Now, this one again, you're kind of looking for speed here. You've got a little more time. This is a set down test, but you want to be kind of careful with your time with these. But again, I like brute force sometimes. I think brute force would be okay in here. Would love to hear of people who answered this faster with a more efficient way of doing it. But this is what I did. So we know there's 1A, 2Bs, 4Ds. Now, we assume the pattern is going to continue. So that means there's 5 E's. And so we can go ahead and start adding these up. We got 3. We've got 6. Let's see. Oops, sorry, that should have been 3 D's. 3. Oh, I forgot C. Funny. So 3 C's, 4 D's, and we assume that the pattern is going to keep going. So that means E has to be, there's going to be 5 of those. There's going to be 6 F's. And so we'll start adding those up. So if you add those up, you'd have 3 when you get to B, then 6, then 10, then 15, then 21. All right, and so F is 6, G is 7, which is 28, and we've got H. There's going to be 8 H's, which is 36. There's going to be 9 I's, which is 45. There's going to be 10 J's, which is 55. And 11 K's, which is 66. And 12 L's, which is 78. And 13 M's, which is 91, and 14 ends, which puts us over the top at 105. So N is going to have the 100th, going to be the 100th letter. So that's brute force. I would love to hear if anybody came up with a more efficient algorithm than brute force. But there you have it. It's the 100th letter to be N, and there's 2 more competition math problems down the tubes. Have a good one. See ya.